So hi mga kakambal, so this is my second vlog for today. So today, pupunta na tayo sa campsite na sa Fika Hebel Farm sa Tanay Rizal guys. With my fam, ayan, my brother, with my family, ang lahat to. Ayan yung tita Kat also oh. Okay. So, para ma-enjoy nyo yung experience ko for the whole video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And para ma-shoutout din kayo, mag-comment kayo na, yan, lalagay ko yun sa baba. Don't worry. Ayan, so let's get started.